Slurry preparation. Firstly, sand or coal ash stored in a factory is transported to a hopper by loader or grab bucket through a belt conveyor. After accurate measurement, the material is transported to a web-type ball mill by belt conveyor for grinding. The ground material enters a slurry tank through an outlet and then is transported to a storage tank by pump for later use. Material mixing. Fresh slurry and waste slurry respectively enter a weighing scale through a transition tank. Lime and cement are respectively transported to a dry powder weighing scale by screw conveyor for accurate measurement. Measured slurry, dry powder and aluminum powder are successively added into a high-speed mixer. The mixed materials are put into a mold box through an outlet. Meanwhile, a bubble removing machine is used to remove large bubbles produced during slurry pouring. The whole batching process can be automatically controlled by a full automatic batching system to improve recipe accuracy. Turning and cutting. The mold box is transported below the tilting and demolding crane by friction wheel. After the mold box is demolded, it is transported to the side plate return track to be remolded with a clean side plate. After being automatically oiled by oil machining, the empty mold box continues to be used for next slurry pouring. The horizontal cutter machine adapts the mounted upright large span design concept to avoid the sinking, cracking and edge breakage of bases when thin panels are cut. Then, the panels are transported to the vehicle cutting machine. Meanwhile, the trolley A returns to carry the next cake, and the trolley B takes over it, which improves cutting efficiency. The swing cutting structure is fixed and completes the vertical cutting of cake by the swing of fixed axes, which prevents equipment from swing during cutting and guarantees cutting precision and the service life of equipment. The cake's surface is cleaned by automatic air-blowing device. All waste materials produced during cutting are gathered and stirred in the waste slurry tank for later use. Turning to remove waste layers and grouping. During the production of building blocks or panels, the side plate takes the cake are both transported on a tilting table. The tilting table turns 90 degrees to separate the side plate from the cake. The cake and the side plate are cleaned by surface cleaning machine at the same time. The clean cake is put on the steaming carriage by loading crane. The steaming carriage carrying cakes moves on the track before the autoclave by traction machine for grouping. Autoclave curing. After grouping, the steaming carriage is put into the autoclave by traction machine. The autoclave completes the autoclave curing of cakes after 4 steps, which are vacuuming, pressure increasement, constant pressure and pressure reduction. The whole steam distribution process is controlled by the automatic autoclave system, which guarantees the stability of autoclave curing. Being pulled out of the autoclave and packed. Firstly, ventilate and depressurize the autoclave after autoclave curing. At the same time, the ferry carriage after the autoclave runs to the corresponding track and pulls the steaming carriages out of traction machine at a time. Then, the finished products are hoisted to the separating machine by loading crane. The whole blocks are separated by separating machine. Then, the separated finished products are moved horizontally to the side plate returning roller track. The panels are transported to the panel conveyor chain by finished product clamp for packing. The blocks are transported to the finished product conveyor chain by finished product clamp, and the pallets are feeded by pallet feeding station automatically. The blocks are transported to the strapping machine for automatic packing. The side plate cleaning machine is used to clean side plates. During cleaning, dust cleaning equipment is used for ambient dust collection. The packed blocks and panels are transported from the production line to the storage yard by forklift. The above process of the production line is repeated constantly.